Here we go, Toy Story Adventure! Woohoo! Oh, we're spinning, we're spinning, we're spinning now. Oh, we're, whoa, 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 whoa.
Welcome to our
Are there any of my friends watching this? Derek, Tony, Jack, any of you guys? You're not beating me in this game. Oh, let's go. Can't beat me in this game. Too good in it. All right, let's go, baby. Entering Toy Story Land. Into the Danny, June 17, 2026, and we're here at Toy Story Land in Hollywood Studios. We got the most beautiful kid in the whole world, my daughter. We're gonna be going inside Toy Story Mania. Like, subscribe. We got Toy Story 5 coming out tomorrow. Let's roll. Ride Anatomy and Family Night. Okay, going into Toy Story Mania, this is the entrance. And like most Ride Anatomy videos, I am gonna be giving you some bullet points throughout the queue and stuff like that, okay? And we will be getting on the ride. Let's do it. All right, sitting at about 45 minutes right now. Here's the entrance to the queue. I don't expect it to be 45 minutes. It's probably gonna be a little bit faster. So hopefully we can get on just before the 45-minute mark. Okay, just started the timer. Let's see what time we're at when we're boarding the ride. It is a hot day, so we're about to get indoors, which is nice, but yeah, so I really like this attraction. Once we get indoors, I'm gonna show you the queue, give you some bullet points on the attraction. And but yeah, mild day at the park, not too busy, but it is very hot. Also, my 7-year-old daughter will be joining me, so you'll get a perspective from her, and she'll tell you what she likes and doesn't like about the ride. Probably gonna tell you she likes everything about it. All right, I can just feel the AC already, so which is nice. But again, you see it's very much decorated like Andy's playroom. Here we go, right here. Oh, Uno, yeah, look. My daughter just pointed out it does have Uno. Shout out to Penelope for showing us that. Yes, you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. I can't take it. What's your favorite ride in the whole Hollywood Studios? What's your favorite ride in the whole Hollywood Studios? Slinky Dog.
My favorite is because I like the big, we go up and then we go sideways down.
Okay, we are already indoors. This ride really reminds me of Yoshi's ride in Epic Universe. Sort of the same color palette, but there you go. We are indoors already and in the AC, which is nice. So lots of colors. You got Peter Pan right over here. Go, come on. Got the little, I remember, can somebody tell me in the comments what this toy is called? I used to play with them when I was little. Of course, we got Rex right here. There you go. We got Andy and, not Andy, we got Buzz, not Buzz, Woody. And then what's the horse's name? I don't even know. Okay, reading off some points here, and the whole premise of the ride is that basically the ride is that guests have been conceptually shrunk down to the size of a toy. Proportionally, an average adult is scaled to feel like they are 14 to 15 inches tall while walking through the queue and riding the attraction. So basically, you're about this big as compared to everything else in here. Look at this fact about the movies that's crazy. I'm 40 years old, I'm a millennial, but look at this fact. Toy Story 1 came out when I was, well, if you were born in 1984, look at these facts. I was born in 86, so pretty much the same thing. Toy Story 1, if you were born in 1984, you were 11 years old, 1995. Toy Story 2 came out, again, if you were born in 1984, when you were 15. Toy Story 3, 2010, you were 26 years old. Toy Story 4, 2019, you were 35 years old. And now that Toy Story 5 is coming out, you will be 42 years old. Look at this. Incredible. See if you can pause that. Melissa sent me this earlier. Incredible. We've literally grown up with this. It's been in our life for all the formidable years. And we got a beautiful, beautiful painting of Buzz and Jessie at an arcade machine. As we wrap around the snake queue, here we have Slinky Dog, played by the legendary Jim Varney, most famously known, besides voicing Slinky Dog, as Ernest P. World. If you don't know who Ernest P. World is, then you don't know movies. You don't know about Ernest Scared Stupid, and you don't know about Ernest Saves Christmas. Come on. Okay, now we're entering the next room here in the queue. We got Bullseye the horse. The blocks are really big. Again, we're supposed to be 14 to 15 inches tall in this queue. Here we have a giant Etch-a-Sketch. Classic. Played with these when I was little. Here we have some life-size blocks. You get an idea of how they look. Pretty cool. Making our way into the next room. We got a big old wood airplane here. I used to play with those when I was little too, actually. All right, yep. All right, let's see what it's got. You all know I'm a big fan of the artwork in Disney and in the theme parks. This is super cool. Like a big painting. Awesome. Okay, there's the Mr. Potato Head to the right. There you go. So, all right, making our way in, making our way in. Can you imagine slamming those down on a table? $5 below can guess what game this is from right here. What game is this from? Okay, here we have Mr. Potato Head. One of the features of the ride. Hello, Mr. Potato Head. Hello. How you doing, my friend? It's a hell of a mustache you got there. He didn't want to talk to us. He's got a problem. I don't know if he's got a problem with me. I don't know. Okay, once you approach the ride, you got to pick up your glasses, your 3D glasses. So here's what they look like. Boom, boom. Put them on and get ready. Here's a part of the queue that's not being used right now. So you can take a look. There you go. Okay, we're gonna go right up these stairs here, and then you're almost on the ride once you get here. Thank you. All right, here we go, up the stairs. Penny leading the way. Oh my God. Oh, feeling 40. Here we go, let's go. Up and at 'em, family night. Can't miss these nights. All right, Penny, wait. All right, let's go. Oh, here we go. Take a look, guys, down in the ride. There are the ride vehicles there. Okay, hold the railing. There you go. Okay, we'll wait right here. Let's take a look. There you go. Toy Story Mania. Toy Story 5 coming out tomorrow. I'm actually watching it at 7:30, guys. 7:30 p.m. Okay.
Toy Story is coming tomorrow?
Yeah, you guys are seeing it the next day, not tomorrow, the day after. Okay, we're at 30 minutes. Remember, it said 45. We're about to get on the ride. Okay, here we go, getting onto our ride vehicle. It's a lap down pull bar. Okay, this is what your Space Ranger pull. You gotta pull the string. Oh, pull the string to shoot. Oh, okay, sorry.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah. All right, sorry. All right, here we go. This is your pull. You gotta pull this right here to shoot. Right here. Boom, 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 boom. Aim, aim, aim.
Pull the string.
Pull that, let's go! I'm gonna beat you. Oh, I'm gonna beat you. It doesn't matter, I'll beat you with one hand. One hand, I'll beat you. Woo! All right, let me show you what it looks like. See, you sit there and you shoot. Look at the things going. You just pull, 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 pull. Oh! Whoop. Whoop. Here we go. Shoot away. Go, Bobby. Point. Shoot. Point and shoot. Whoa. Whoa. All right, here we go. The last one. Hurry up, cowboy. Let's go. No, I beat you. I beat you. I beat you. Give me a kiss. Big kiss. I love you. Toy Story Mania. All right, now we're going through the exit. Here we go. All right, here you go. Now, once you make your way through the exit, you're gonna want to toss your game glasses right here. Not like that. Oh, it's okay. Go. All right, here we go. Here's more of the queue that they're not using right now. Not enough people. And you make your way down this long corridor. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What do you rate that ride 1 to 10?
9.
What?
9.
9, huh? What's a 10, I wonder?
No, actually, 8 is because.
8, okay.
Because when we stopped, I hit my head, and then after we were holding like the thing, and then after my fingers.
Oh, your thumb was hurting a little bit?
No, all my fingers are here. Now I can't move them.
Okay. All right, here we got Jesse here. All right, now we're walking into the gift store. I'm going to show you guys the gift store briefly. Okay, update on the time. 40 minutes and we're off the ride. Guys, here's some of the merch you can expect here when you get off of Toy Story Mania. Love this shirt. Gonna have to get that one day for sure. Man, that shirt is beautiful, man. $36. What, mommy? Oh, let me see. Whoa, that's a cool car.
Look how with Woody. But it didn't talk anymore.
Yep, this is a Woody. He has a snake in his boots. There he is. And it is going to cost you, I'll tell you right now, $40. $40 for a Woody. All right, guys, here's more of the gift store. Somebody down below, please tell me the name of this character right here.
What is his name? I think it's him. I think his name is like Pink Berry or something. Or like Pink Bear.
Lotso, thank you. Lotso, guys, here.
Smells like strawberries.
Okay, we got a strawberry Lotso here. The lady was right. It does smell like strawberry. All right. Okay, and here's the rest of the gift store, guys. Got a bunch of different things. We got t-shirts, sweaters here. We got some Slinky Dog merch over here. Then we got a whole Buzz area right here. Buzz Lightyear. So this is what the gift store looks like when you get off the ride. Awesome. And you got a Jesse from Toy Story 5 right here. Go! Okay, we're off the ride here with the family again. Knees, trees, these. So the key to that game to win, take it from someone like me, a top 10 ranked Toy Story Mania player in the world. It's not necessarily speed. Yes, you want to have the quick fingers, but it's really mostly accuracy and going for the higher point targets. Go. All right, and then this is the final exit. Nothing crazy, but still a cool little exit to come out of. To infinity and beyond.